पणजे शारांत सिनेमाचे शूटिंग करपाक घाल्ले बंदीचो फेरविचार करपाचें उतर महापौर वैदेही नायकान सोमारा फिल्म निर्मात्यांक दिलें. फिल्म निर्मात्याच्या एका शिष्टमंडळान सोमारा महापौराक मेळून तशी मागणी केली. अशीच मागणी फिल्म निर्मात्यांनी मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकारा कडेनूय केल्ली. मुख्यमंत्र्याकय हो निर्णय पटना.
We are very badly adversely affected by the ban in Panjim city, because if the ban happens, a lot of job opportunities and revenue opportunities which will be lessened, and we are not able to do any work and we will have to sit at home. So I would request the Panjim CCP to reconsider decision of having banned in Panjim.
We have been given an assurance by the Chief Minister that this ban is going to be lifted. That is the reason we have come all here to meet the lady of the house.
CCP निर्णय जो घेतलो आसा एकदम चुकीचो निर्णय आसा की पणजे सिटीन शूटिंग करप ना. पणजे सिटी म्हटल्यार खूब जागे येता, एक मिरामार बीच येता, डॉनपॉल येता, पणजे फूल सिटी येता आनी ह्याच सिटीन आमी शूटिंग करना जाल्यार फुडें गोंयांत कोण शूटिंग करून येवपाक जायना. Mayor is very positive as far as this decision. She is saying she will try her best and तांकां shooting करपाक allow करतली अशें तांणी सांगलां आमकां. She will take it up at the council. She will take up the council meeting. The next council meeting she will take up.
We had presented a memorandum to Mr. Vishnu Wagh, who is the vice chairman of BHG, which is the sole body which takes care of film shootings in Goa, to approach CCP to reconsider this decision to allow shooting all over Panjim city.
आता सगळे लोकांकडल्यान त्याच भशेन आता ऑल गोवा लायन प्रोड्युसर्स असोसिएशन तांणी हें दिलां की हो डिसिजन जो जाल्लो आसा तो रॉंग जाल्लो आसा तेन्ना रिकन्सिडर करचो म्हणून ते सगळे आयिल्ले आनी त्या प्रमाणे हो डिसिजनाचेर आमी रिकन्सिडर करतली.
सिनेमाच्या हाका बॅन हे सिनेमाचें शूटिंग करपाक CCPचो रोल खंय येता. सो बेजिकली दॅट्स वाय इट शूड हॅव बीन प्रॉपरली थॉट आनी करूंक जाय. कित्या खातीर जाला पळय ताका म्हजो सपोर्ट आहा, जी गजाली खातीर रेज केला ते. पण विशय असो हँडल करपाक येना. इवन फिल्म पळय हें आसा शूटिंग कॅनॉट बी बॅन्ड एन मास. पणजी सिटी इज इन व्हेरी मच इन डिमांड फॉर फिल्म शूटिंग. If it creates problem, permission should not be given at that point, problem point. But you cannot ban it en masse.
कांपाल इंडोर स्टेडियमात जपान कराटे असोसिएशन ऑफ इंडियान घेतिल्ले 30वे राष्ट्रीय कराटे सर्तीक मोठो प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळो. आज मेरेन सर्तीचे इतिहासांत केन्नाच हजारावयर वांटेकार जावंक नाशिल्ले ते हे सर्तींत जाले. भारताच्या वेगवेगळ्या राज्यांनी बरेपैकी कराटेकार तयार जातात अशें सेन्साय आनंद रत्ना म्हणटा.
We've been in existence in India for the past 38 years and this is our 30th national championship. So over the years we've grown and this time the number of entries have exceeded over 1,000.
Which are the states in India which are giving you the best karate?
From all over India, essentially. We've got branches in over 22 states, and more or less from nearly every state we've always had winners. National champions have come from all over India, so it's never been any one particular state that has been dominated. We've got very good karate people from Mumbai, we've got very good karate people from Meghalaya, we've had very good karate people from Delhi, from Uttar Pradesh, from Jharkhand, Bihar, Orissa, Chhattisgarh. So it's very difficult to say as to which state is dominating. We've had very good teams from Goa. So it's extremely difficult thing to say as to which state is dominated. The concept is that a person when he hits has enough control to be able to block, to be able to stop the blow from hitting the person. You're not giving him, you're not allowing him to just hit wildly, but it is a controlled aggression where the person stops the blow before it actually touches the opponent. So the criteria for scoring would be the power of the blow, but also the concept of control. So if the person doesn't have control, he's thrown out, he's disqualified.
इतल्यान खबरांची हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावत प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.